Okay, this will be an interesting one. Actually, wondering if we are going to turn this into a negative positive for some reason. Wonder what background colour. This one's got a lot of yellow, so I'm going to put yellow back into it. Going to leave the hue and the redness out of it now, or maybe if we use the copy density, we're just going to use the contrast as well. So we're going to leave the brightness as is. So just trying to do things a little differently. Okay, let's see how we go. I've got to enlarge as well. So what have we got? Got a Woolworths Fresh Recipe magazine, and this is a really nice looking, something looks like a pie. So we're just gonna, actually I'm thinking the back looks better, so I'm thinking we're going to do the back of this magazine instead of the front. So we're just going to try and make sure we don't get that gold label in the way to make it look really nice. So we're just going to slide it across. We're going to put it on the edge there, and just going to play with the buttons. How big are we going to make this? Make it A9, A5, so I'm going to make it 141.4%. I don't know how this is going to work. So let's see how it goes. I've got a gut feeling I did something wrong. We're just going to see how it turns out. I should have put the dock feeder down. Normally I drop the dock feeder to make better contact. So let's see if we've made this look better. Yeah, I don't think the yellow goes well, although it looks quite nice. I like it in some ways, and in other ways I don't. It's interesting. We've got a bit of a border mark there. So, I don't know, in some ways I like it, the contrast between yellow and blue. I'm actually thinking we're going to run with it. I actually do feel like I like it. Out it comes. That's those two, and then we're just going to make a couple of mirrored versions of this. Okay, here we go. Ah, shit, I've got to make adjustments. I've got to basically tell the machine how big the original is. Now that was an unexpected spit the dummy spit this dumbass machine has done. So we have to select the size we want. So we have to make That's the problem with me making 2 copies, and it does that. It wastes paper and toner and shit. If I knew when this was going to happen, I'd set up the thing manually, but because it happens only sporadically, I just take the liberty of just, whatever. That's better. That's how it's meant to look. So sometimes when you put it on original size in, it spits the dummy, but I don't know why it does it. Like what kind of original causes that to happen? I just haven't been able to work it out or understand it. And this didn't look like something that it would spit the dummy on. I thought it was fairly ordinary compared with some originals that I put on there. So let's see how we go with that. Yeah, that looks quite nice. Blue and yellow, gotta go.